Hello everybody, this is Alex from soyachincha.com, and today we're going to unbox the Vivo S1. So if you're looking for a phone that has a big screen, a big battery and also a large storage, well, this is something worth checking out. Before I begin, I just want to clarify that this Vivo S1 is different from the one that's offered in China. So this version is going to be sold in India, Indonesia and also Malaysia. So let's take a look around the box. So it looks like a typical Vivo smartphone. And if you look at the top right corner, you'll see that this comes with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. The device that we have here is the Skyline Blue version. So without further ado, let's find out what's inside the box. Alright, let's get that aside. Let's pop the top off. Alright, so this is it, the Vivo S1. So on the top here you get like a small little box that contains a soft jelly case, a quick startup guide, which nobody reads, and then you get the device itself. So this is Skyline Blue version. Wow! It has a very nice grading effect. Well, we just put this aside first. We're going to talk about it a bit later. Go down, then you'll find a charger. So it's a 3-pin type for UK and Malaysia. And this is a 18-watt charger. So you can see here the rating is 5V 2 amps and also 9V 2 amps. You also get a USB cable. Okay, this is a micro USB cable. Come on Vivo, it's 2019, as well as a pair of headphones. Alright, so let's put the rest aside first and we'll go for a deep dive onto the device. So check that out. So this is the Vivo S1. So it looks very different from the one you get on the Vivo V15, and that's because it doesn't come with a pop-up selfie camera. And you can see here, you have a glass back. It feels like glass. Sounds like glass too. And you also find a triple camera array at the back, and it says here AI triple camera. Let's switch it on. Okay, so now the device is turned on, so let's go through the hardware specs. So up front, it comes with a 6.38 inch. It's a Super AMOLED display that pushes a full HD+ resolution. And you can see up here, it comes with a tiny notch that houses a 32 megapixel selfie camera. And as you can see earlier, there's no fingerprint sensor at the back, and that's because the Vivo S1 comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor. And similar to what you get on Samsung Galaxy devices, it also gets a always-on display feature, which can show you the time without waking up the actual phone. Let's see how is it like to watch videos on this thing. Since it's an AMOLED display, you can expect vibrant colors, and for watching videos it's pretty good as well, and you can actually pinch to zoom to fill up the whole screen. Well, does it sound good? Let me just crank up the volume.
Very fancy knife. So what's inside? Okay, there's the warranty card and there's this quick start guide. Then you have this.
Sounds pretty decent. In terms of cameras, it gets a 16 megapixel main shooter, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, as well as a 2 megapixel shooter for depth effects, so that's used for portrait shots. Let's give it a try. So just taking a normal photo here. It looks pretty good, snappy as well. And let's try the wide angle mode. That's pretty good as well. And let's see what else they have here. Oh, they also have a bokeh shots as well, and it's recommended that you maintain 2 meters distance for better bokeh results. We're going to try that later. The device feels pretty solid. It looks pretty pretty, I think. And on the right side here, you'll find the standard power button as well as a volume rocker. And on the left side, you'll find an extra smart button. If you press once, it can call up Google Assistant, and if you press twice, it will call up Jovi's image recognition. So if you're looking for something on an e-commerce site, you can use this feature to take a picture and it will recommend a product that's similar to it. At the top, there's nothing here, it's pretty clean, and you also find a traditional earpiece at the top. And at the bottom, you'll find a speaker grill, a micro USB port, as well as a 3.5mm headphone jack. The S1 is powered by a MediaTek Helio P65 processor. The unit that's coming to Malaysia comes with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. And if you need more, you can always expand it via a micro SD card. Well, let's try to confirm first. Let's pop up the SIM tray slot. It comes with 2 nano SIM slots as well as 1 dedicated slot for the micro SD card. So that's a pretty good thing. The Vivo S1 is powered by a huge 4500 mAh battery, and that's more than what you get on flagship smartphones. To charge it quickly, it also supports Vivo's 18-watt dual-engine fast charge technology that uses a micro USB cable. Out of the box, the Vivo S1 is running on FunTouch OS version 9 that's based on Android 9 Pie, and the skin looks pretty cartoony and is very different from what you get from other manufacturers. For example, if you want to access the quick settings, you need to swipe from the bottom. The Vivo S1 is officially priced at 1,099 ringgit in Malaysia, and this device will be available on the 27th of July 2019. The device comes in 2 colors, Skyline Blue, which we have right here, as well as Diamond Black. So overall, it's pretty decent offering. It has a huge battery, a big screen, and a generous amount of RAM and storage. What do you think? Do you like the Vivo S1? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe us on our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed of our next videos. Don't forget to check out latest video here. And also another awesome video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!